So hi there, welcome once again. So what we are going to do in this video is we need to make our doodly for this place, that is for code 2. So we finished recording this and right now we are going to just start with this. So the purpose is what we are going to do is most of us are depressed and thinking what other people, okay, blah 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 blah, all the things. Okay, so just divided into two areas right now here. So I've already recorded the voiceover, so I'm not going to waste your precious time doing it again because you know how to do the voiceover. So we are going to just do one thing, we're going to quickly add the scenes. So I'll press something. So what I'm going to do is I don't want my doodly videos to be some kind of bored or something else. I want my doodly videos to be kind of very colorful. So I'm going to just go here, start fast. Not the heart. So I'm going to add this. Yes, don't worry about this, from where I got and all the other kinds of stuff I'll be explaining to you in another video, so don't worry about this. So right now what I did is, this is just an image and which I imported is, I pressed here, then I resized the image and I just imported into Doodly. So that's all about this. So I'll make sure I'm going to align this thing exactly and kind of, I think, okay, till here because I know where the voiceover stops. Okay. So we need to add characters, right? So first I'm going to add something for sad. Okay, who's sad? We'll add 3 characters here. So don't worry about what I'm doing. After finishing this, you'll be able to understand what I really did. Don't worry about this. So 3 characters. You can watch the script once again. So most of us are depressed in our thinking, and that's what other people are thinking about us. So other people are thinking about us. So I'm going to make her a little bit big. Okay, and I need props. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll just search for bubble, some kind of. Okay, we need to add a new scene. Yes, the new scene is now social media is all about comments and likes, number of, right? So do you want a bubble here? We can try a bubble here, right? Here, and now where is it? Keeps our heart ticking, right? You use that invert, so don't worry about that. So I think this video is really going to be pretty good. So what we do is save it, and before we go for the quote number 3, I just want you to preview this entire video and let's see how it really looks, right? So let's start.
3 golden quotes that completely change the way I look at life. Quotes are sayings from great persons that give a meaning to life. Listening to some quotes motivate us to move forward even when we are sad and depressed. In this video, you will see my 3 best quotes that push me ahead when I want to move forward in my life. If you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to people or things, by Albert Einstein. This will be true as most of us depend upon people and expect more from others, and thus when other people do not meet our demands, we get desperate and depressed. Other people would love material desires and they are never satisfied with anything they get. Their desire for more always brings so much unhappiness. Keep a goal related to your meaning in life, build a goal that relates to your purpose, and all will be well. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. Don't let the noise of other people's opinions draw out your own inner voice. And most important, have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. They somehow already know what you truly want to become. Everything else is secondary. By Steve Jobs. Most of us are depressed in our thinking what other people are thinking about us. We seek for acceptance and acknowledgement from others, and when it is not received, we are on the path to depression and sadness. We are simply addicted to acceptance from others. Acceptance from our family, our colleagues, and our teachers, and even the world. Now social media is all about likes and comments. Number of likes and number of followers determine our happiness. Now more than self-love, it is the love from others that keeps our heart ticking.
Wow, right? Really, it looks phenomenally good. I felt it. So now we just need only this code 3. So thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you in the next video. We'll start with code 3, guys. Bye bye.